Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to elevate your everyday cooking experience. We're talking about the Oster Clairborne 7-piece premium non-stick pots and pans cookware set, in this rather elegant white with speckle finish. If you're looking to refresh your kitchen arsenal or perhaps get started with a solid foundation, this set might just be what you need. Let's break down what you get in this 7-piece collection. You receive one 9.5-inch frying pan, which is a versatile size for everything from eggs in the morning to pan-searing chicken for dinner. Then there are two saucepans, a smaller 1.5 quart and a slightly larger 2.5 quart, both coming with their own lids. These are your go-to for boiling pasta, simmering sauces, or making soups. Finally, the set includes a 4-quart Dutch oven, also with a lid. This larger pot is excellent for stews, braising, or cooking larger quantities of food. So, in terms of sheer quantity and basic functionality, this set covers a lot of ground for a home cook. Oster's philosophy with this line seems to be about encouraging culinary creativity, and they've built this set with durable aluminum construction. The idea here is that aluminum heats up quickly and distributes that heat evenly across the cooking surface. This is crucial for preventing hot spots, which can lead to unevenly cooked food and frustration. The aim is for your ingredients to blend together harmoniously, resulting in satisfying meals day after day. One of the standout features of this set is the textured non-stick finish. Now, non-stick cookware has come a long way, and Oster claims this interior design resists scratches and scraping. This is a big deal because it means you can cook with minimal oil, which is healthier, and it also translates to a much easier cleanup. No more spending ages scrubbing burnt-on food. When it comes to handling, the extended Bakelite handles are designed for comfort and safety. They are longer than standard handles, offering more space for a secure grip, which can improve control when pouring or moving the pots and pans. The Bakelite material itself is known for its stay-cool properties, meaning you're less likely to burn your hands during cooking, a thoughtful touch for any kitchen. The tempered glass lids are another practical element. They're transparent, allowing you to monitor your food's progress without lifting the lid, which helps retain heat and moisture. This is particularly useful when you want to keep a close eye on a simmer or a boil. Plus, these lids come with built-in vents to release steam smoothly. This is a clever feature that helps prevent those messy spills and boilovers that can happen when cooking certain dishes. Now, let's talk about the description and some important nuances. Oster emphasizes that this cookware is designed to make cooking easy and convenient. The aluminum construction, as mentioned, is for even heating. The non-stick interior promises smooth food release and easy cleanup. The soft-touch Bakelite handles and knobs are meant to stay cool and provide a comfortable grip. The glass lids help monitor cooking and have vents to prevent overflow. However, there's a crucial point to note that's mentioned in the description. While it says the set is safe to use on most stovetops, there's a specific exclusion: do not use on induction stoves. This is a significant limitation for many modern kitchens. So, if you have an induction cooktop, this set is not for you. It also mentions hand wash is recommended and that the cookware is not safe for conventional or microwave ovens. Let's consider the pros and cons. On the pro side, this set offers a good range of essential pots and pans for everyday cooking. The textured non-stick surface sounds promising for both cooking and cleaning. The stay-cool Bakelite handles are a definite safety and comfort advantage. The tempered glass lids with steam vents are practical design features that can prevent cooking mishaps. The aesthetic of the white with speckle is quite appealing and could add a touch of modern style to your kitchen. Now for the cons. The most significant con, as identified, is the incompatibility with induction stovetops. This immediately disqualifies a portion of the potential market. Also, while hand wash is recommended, it's worth considering how well the non-stick will hold up over time with regular use and washing, even if it is hand-washed. The oven-safe limitation means you can't transfer your stovetop creations to the oven for finishing, which is a function many cooks rely on. Lastly, While the description mentions the inclusion of 2 nylon cooking utensils, these are not explicitly detailed in the complete set includes list, which might cause some confusion. In conclusion, the Oster Clairborne 7-piece nonstick cookware set presents itself as a functional and aesthetically pleasing option for home cooks who don't use induction stovetops. It covers the basics well with its selection of pans, and the non-stick features and cool touch handles are designed for a user-friendly experience. However, the lack of induction compatibility and oven-safe capabilities are significant drawbacks that potential buyers must be aware of before making a purchase. If your stovetop is gas or electric and you primarily cook on the stovetop, this set could be a decent addition to your kitchen. Link in the description.